How to fix white cursor on Google Docs or any other document. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. Navigate to Windows search icon at bottom left, search for Windows settings. Once you get it, click on Open at right side and access your settings. Now select Bluetooth and device option. Once it opens, you need to scroll down. Now click on Mouse and access the mouse settings. Scroll to the bottom of your screen and select Additional Mouse Settings. A window will appear on your screen where under the Pointers option tab you simply need to scroll down. And then look for the option of Hide Pointers while typing. If it is checked, you simply need to uncheck it and then you can click on OK and apply it. If the issue persists, you can go back to the Pointer tab and then you can easily select the browse icon at bottom right corner of your screen and you can search for IBR. Then you can simply click on open button and then you can easily click on apply and then click on OK. Your cursor should now be visible and not white invisible while typing. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.